everybody, happy Yoongi Day. Today is his 28th birthday and so I have a special nail art video for him, and so without further ado, let's get started with this very soft Yoongi birthday nail set. First, I'm going to be applying base coat. I'm using Peel Off base coat, which I always leave linked in the description box. Then I'm going to be painting my index fingernail a peachy glitter, my middle and ring fingernails a sheer pink, and my thumbnail white. Next, I'm going to be taking a cosmetic sponge and I'm going to use that to apply the glitter polish that basically just gets rid of the clear excess jelly polish and gives you a lot of the glitter on the nail. And here I'm applying another layer of polish. And on top, I'm just going to brush on a darker pink and white, and on top of this, I'm going to be using brown polish to draw the little kitty designs that MAJORSCALE did for Suga, and she actually released some merch, and it was so cute. There's like a mug, and there's also like, you know, cookies and stuff like that at the cafe event that she's hosting for the birthday, and they are so cute, so I wanted to just draw them on my nails. Like, basically they represent Suga perfectly, so that's what I did. And you want to be like very neat when you do this because you can't really use the base color to subtract the brown, so yeah, just have a steady hand and you should be able to do it. So this is a representation of headband Yoongi, which you can see a lot in Bon Voyage, and then on my ring fingernail I'm going to be drawing the bucket hat version. And what I particularly love about these designs is his face. Like, it's just so Yoongi, it's so cute. I mean, it's the face that he identifies with, so I just thought it was so perfect. For the thumb, I decided to add a bit of gray on top of this white layer, and on top of this, I'm going to be drawing version 4 Yoongi from Map of the Soul 7. So I don't have a lot of instructions to give for this video simply because I'm just following a reference image, which is the concept photo. So I'll just get into like Yoongi's birthday. So far I've been going to cafe events and celebrating it with other New York City ARMY, and I just want to say that like I'm really glad that Yoongi's birthday is like right now because there's just so much going on in this world, but we have something to celebrate, so I'm very grateful for that. I hope he has a wonderful 28th birthday. I hope he can, you know, continue making music that he loves and that he, you know, can share to the world and have lots of people listen to. And I just want to say that I just wish pure happiness for Yoongi. I hope that he can continue being happy with what he does and who he is and who he will be. Apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for this very simple, pink and soft Yoongi set. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful time celebrating Yoongi's birthday for the next couple of hours, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone!